Hello, my name is Luke Bernard, and today is going to be a quick vlog of be demonstrating the code I've added to my InfoTechCenter, and I'll also be showing you, how my code has evolved over time using gatecracking. So first of all, we have a InfoTechCenter, which is basically like something on a car, and it displays a bunch of things, temperature, miles per hour, gas levels, stuff like that. So some new things I added a contact system, so it's a contact code. I also added a song, so it basically displays what song is playing on the car at the current time. And I also added, if I can find it, I also added a temperature system, which essentially takes what is like, the temperature outside of the car and adjusts the temperature inside of the car. So it's like if it's cold outside, the internal temperature of the car will increase by so and so degrees. But so we're gonna run this. First I'm gonna use Python, and then or I'm gonna use PyCharm, and then we're gonna use the terminal, which is a little bit more complex, but it's the same thing. So we're gonna press F10 here. And it's gonna run. It's gonna do its thing. I'll show you like the different parts of the code once it all loads up. So InfoTechCenter OS is loading. So mission accomplished. Random scan. Access granted. So here's some basic parts that we added. So it's the National Weather Service is checking conditions. So the National Weather Service is calling for windy. So it tells the driver like what are the conditions outside. We also added a gas function. So the gas right now is 3/4 full, which is enough to reach your destination today. And here are my new functions that we added personally. Me and my partner. We added alert brothers calling. So that's like a contact. Here's the song playing, so Beat It by Michael Jackson is currently playing. And then the car temps, this is what I was talking about earlier, about the internal car temperature. So the car temperature has been increased by 15 degrees Fahrenheit due to colder temps. So yeah, because it's cold outside, the internal temperature of the car is going to increase. So right now we're going to run it in the terminal. So we're going to go here, go to my file, repositories, right click on this, open the terminal right here. And now we're going to run some very important code. We're going to do Python. We're going to hit him with a Python 3. And then oh no. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. So my bye-byes. I had a little human error. We're all human. So really the actual code that we're going to use is Python 3. I forgot to, name the document, or the Python. So I need to do the declaration of independence.py. So we're going to press tab here. And now we should be able to run it. So it's running. It's running. Give it a little second.
So go back to click your windows and type in OBS.
So this is all the same code we saw before using PyCharm right here, but it's on the terminal, which kind of makes it unique. And I kind of like the format here, but it's the same thing. It's just I used Python, like specific terminal like code to initiate the run of the program. So we're gonna close this. I'm gonna show you, some of the interesting stuff behind like how my code has evolved. So I have a lot of branches here, but basically we kind of started from, making the file, like first, introducing the actual Python file that would be used to edit everything, actually make the program. And then eventually we added a bunch of libraries. We updated the file. We added, to the loading stuff. We updated print statements. We merged branches, which was actually very important. Merging branches is essentially like what combines all the code to make it one thing instead of multiple separate different documents. We had gas level gauge functions. We merged again, weather functions. We merged into main, which is, the file I was showing you before. It's the main file. And, we made this is where I started actually doing my stuff with my partner. We added our own, like, unique code. So we made a contact list function, temperature function for car, radio function. We merged all of these to, give us the final product that I just presented to you. So I hope you like the vlog. If you have any questions, go on to my website and go to the contact me page where you can email me anything. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys.